Why not Alliance? Why not Gaza? Why subconscious?
Well, probably if Alliance did approach me, I would have said no. If Gaza would have approached me, I would have said no.
Why?
Yes, me
But you can always mention Bounty and Vibes as
Bounty
your...
Killer,
yeah,
Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel are one of my main influence through dancehall music. But at the end of the day, you have to associate yourself with people who are not going to be able to bully you around and boss you around.
Yeah, man, real that.
We ain't had that no time at all.
True.
A few moments later.
Philip, fuck a bag of gal inna them all and who no like how we a live.
Wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a one Masicka senior.
One Gaza, you know it. Go.
You mean genocide. A family this, remember, we put friend aside.
Alright.
And we straight, so we put
2,000 years later.
There? Alright. One general, you hear that? Alright. We're outside.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock.
People are going. So when Masicka talk about system, I go play some clip and show you how the system thing work. Because the system is a whole, is a group of different entities. Like you have shows, everything. It's like a system of built within the music. Where you have like shows where the artists them supposed to perform on or do clash, right? The host certain question where them ask, like you have on stage ER, and you have a few more. The question we have to ask and how them supposed to respond, right? So it's a whole different body and system of like people we need to control who fi get endorsed and who fi highlight. See? So we're gonna play some clip make you understand what I want.
And nobody can really tell you how to operate. It's when I say we have a system of our own. Is it?
on the rebellious.
You can call it so.
What you call it?
Same thing you call it. Vendetta.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same.
So like, can get your master.
So they have to mash down the system then? Like,
when you say mash down the system, what do you mean?
to change what the status quo. And to do it your way and to make it yours.
Not really plan for change.
Instead of being impacted by the system, you will dictate the pace. You will set the tone.
We love to do that.
So people, you hear where Winford just say a while ago, you come from mash down the system, right? So this is the thing. This is why they never rate Alkaline, because Alkaline go against the system. He never go through any camp, for example. He never go through the Gaza. He never go through the Alliance, right? So they must say, yo, him fought for mash down the system. He never go up on a platform and big up nobody, never give no special ratings to nobody. You understand? So Alkaline create his own system, which is Vendetta, right? Because the number one system was Alliance. And then Vice Cartel break away with that and create Gaza. You understand? A next system. But it come from the Alliance system, right? So Alkaline forward now. With, remember in the Alkaline system now breaker from the Alliance. Gaza breaker from the Alliance, right? So Alkaline created his own. And that them never like. Because look here now. Them no want no youths forward with no system where them can't control. That is the thing, you know. So if them can't control it, them not go with it. And that are the problem. You understand? But that's why Winford say, yo, mash down the system. So Alkaline say, yo, we are talking. But then Ima say, yo, like change the status, like change the drive, like change the pattern, every little thing. So Alkaline say, yes. And that go on. So this is the thing, you know. That's why you see after Alkaline, a lot of youth boss. Because look here now. You usually have a set of producer where you produce certain things, certain songs. You'd have to link them on there. When you go link certain producer, yo, they might run you out of studio. Alkaline forward now and try to create something where kick down barriers. You understand? Kick down the system. But pre-war go on.
Yes.
It's when we love to do that. But everything does take time. You can't really rush a thing. It's when you say you can't just come in and just change up everything.
So do you respect those before you in dancehall and reggae? That they did something to set the platform for you?
But all my friends respect me the before me.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like they might try to turn people against me and I try make it seem like that youth and everybody, but that youth are disrespectful. Just because I say what they must say. Just when I say, them want me to say something, I mean I say. Is what I say?
What did they want you to say?
What everybody I say.
Which is?
Read between the lines.
Right, no.
You see it? The same system of Alkaline I talk about. Where them want him say, everybody know that system there, right? In a them time, that's why them ask him the question, them keep on asking the same set of question them, right? That is the same system of Masicka attack, which is the Gaza system, we break away from the Alliance, right? And this is the thing, it's when the advantage and disadvantage of the system when when you go within the system, right, it's going to endorse you, highlight you, everything. But tell me what the disadvantage now is. Disadvantage is you can't be yourself. You can't control nothing with around you. Them a program you and tell you what to do. You will never go above them if reach out there and become successful. You realize that Shaggy and Sean Paul is not within the system, and you see how successful them be? Yes, this system only kind of suppress youth for go out there. For you understand? For spread them wings. You understand? So when you not with the system now, like Alkaline, you create your own system. You go out there and become more bigger and more successful. You understand? Because look, you know, you create your own path. You can control. Nobody can program and say, yo, don't do no clash. Yo, don't do this, don't do that. You do your own thing. You understand? Because the system only put you up on a path just to stay on a one level. You understand? And that is it. Seem like Popcorn, if Popcorn never signed to Drake, him come out of the system. If he never signed to Drake, he wouldn't reach him there. You understand? And I just saw how the system work. But this is a clip with Ninja Man. See, because this is the thing, you know. How you know when the system is fighting you? This is it. You see when you don't do them nothing? Yes. That you know when the system are fighting. When you just do your own thing, be yourself, and them are fighting because you never go through for them laws and them never give you no order program you. Yeah, that's when you know, say, yo, the system are fighting real without doing anything. Like you just have forward, Alkaline just putting eye contact and everything, and I do him thing. See? Remember, you know, Masicka they all long in a fight with conscience, them and everything, you know, battle and everything, and them couldn't boss. You know when Masicka boss? After Alkaline. After Alkaline, because at them time there, everybody start believing a youth, say youths can come do it without under the system entity there. You understand? Which you don't know Alliance transferring to Gaza. Yeah. You understand? So listen what Ninja Man say.
How them a set a DJ I see right now. And how much of them we can talk about. Look youth named Masicka, him kinda and one named Fully Bad.
Yo, I want to know this. You see, Masicka, the system always been putting Masicka in a category where a good youth, a good artist. You understand? But them never really like invest in him like that. Like how now what them a do. Before all of this animosity and war thing, yeah, what them did I do with him, yeah, them that highlight him and thing. But back then, him was just right there so. And them just watch him and say, a good youth, a good artist. So this Ninja Man I say, yo, yeah, him see some youth, Masicka and Ray. But listen.
You understand? Me want to tell you the truth. The one named Gage and the one named Alkaline.
My daddy never said the name because people say I beat the juice
on this show, don't call his name. Yeah.
So we use the name the views.
Alkaline.
Alkaline, that's just yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, which views? What kind of views him can give nobody, boy? Yo, him and him hypocrite friend, let me tell you something. One thing anybody can't talk about me, you know, then can't say Ninja Man and cokehead, boy. I can't say about me, so let me chat who don't like it. Who can't go call me cokehead and cuss me anytime, me tell you this.
Listen, you know, Alkaline don't do these people nothing. But listen the anger. Just listen because Alkaline now work with them. Alkaline now beg them nothing. Alkaline now laugh at. But listen.
Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth, I come from the university and go to college. I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach people.
Did he actually go to college?
He spent like a year. And
you're lucky. Me never come in here when I sit down in no class.
But you see, you know what the funniest thing, people? You see how them usually do. Remember, say them usually sing about gun and badness and all of these things, you know, which them sang the youth them listen back then. So now, youths forward that do it now, them a cuss them about, yo, what kind of music that when them did that do it in the past back then. But through them get older now and mature enough, yeah. I just that, but when them depend sting on them show they and gun and all of them look or something there, them they are influence youth them a bad way. But no, them not gonna put the blame on them. Say them are gonna put the blame on the same person them when them now highlight or give no strength to, or that person they not lean on them for no homage or anything. Yeah, them a go try to say bad things about them people. You understand?
Oh, and him get for so long in a class in that for 1 year and come back out at people for foolishness.
I think about the rumor say him turned out 2.5 million.
I lie. Like not even want to pay me that. Is that hype, them alone?
People, Nightly Fix, them are one of the system. Them are part of the system grid, you know. Yeah, man, you see the podcast, yeah? Part of the system grid. May I tell you. Just look who them really endorse.
Hype, what? And all these things, them are doing, some of them artists, yeah, it's too stupid. You understand? If you turn down $2.5 million, are the people if you know that the promoter for cause and say that, where you are going to tell the public for, that means that you look hype. And they see the man come out and look hype. You know. Them publicity stunt. Not just like when they tell us a dentist fly down for fix gully back teeth and after I show done gully dentist, the gully back missing appointment.
2016 was a year where art.
People, I want to know watch that clip here. Cause remember say you have Bounty and Beanie Man, seen? And then you have the cartel thing, seen? But look at now. Beanie Man was a part of the system because how the system working are the top big artists them. You know, remember say Beanie Man king back then, you know. Forward up and Bounty Killer back and forth. So them two man there was a man where have the big links them. The system artists them. You see me? Yeah, but two Beanie Man is a man, him just really for himself still. So that's why I'm not too push out artists like Bounty, because Bounty, you know, him want to be the general, but how him work, him get the artists them highlight, but look at now, him program them. That's why Vice Cartel have left and create a next system, because Bounty, they want to suppress the youth them. You understand? Where him want harder them say, yo, them not for do it. That's why I'm over there left the alliance too. You realize? Because check the artists them we kind of still represent the alliance and look if them really highlight them. They not really highlight them because Bounty say, yo, over this or stay over this. Busy Signal a big artist, but you not see them around with Busy Signal. You understand? And I just saw the 16 set up. But listen this.
Artists who currently running the place, 2016 was a year where artists who currently running the place, we cast them on stage.
People, remember this. Who did I run the game them time in 2016? When him you ask a question there, just listen.
Cast them in Jamaica. That's a fact. And you have kind of spoken out against that, where Alkaline is concerned. And you know, some things say and some back and forth. What is your position at this point?
Well, I'm the king of a dancehall, I have different dancehall here, sir. If the people them a dance their music and sing their music, people them supposed to say I sing it live here, sir. And this is my point of view, see it? And I don't care if you want Bex if I say you're not sing for Jamaican people. See it? Because me I sing for them, so what? I find a better no.
You see? Enough of them elderly artists are bad mind the young youths. And you know why Beanie Man did that one so? Because them time there, he might try govern the Gaza thing. So look, you know, remember the Gaza not to rate Alkaline like that. So when him do everything we say for Alkaline, him try for go in night and try bring down the youth brand to make the youth brand look away. You understand? Because so many artists live a foreign and now come down a show at Jamaica. But the Alkaline him choose for do it. You understand? So when you have two veterans, like two Bounty Killer and Beanie Man against a little young youth, you know say yo, that's a heavy system where yo, you have to really talented for escape that. I tell you, because a lot of artists with them system man try for put aside. Yo, you know hear about them artists. You see me, but here I go on.
This is my point of view. See it? You cannot be bigger in the crowd because the fans make you who you are. So you see it? So all of that is that and it's back in the past, so leave that alone.
Why not alliance?
People, so that clip you know, I want to listen to Masicka, you know. Because you know, sometimes I feel like Masicka, him kinda, he's like, you know, live up to him words, but then him say a different thing, but coming up to now, it's like him now stand to him words where him say back then. But listen what I go on.
Why not cause or why subconscious?
Well, probably if Alliance did approach me, I would have said no. If Gaza would have approached me, I would have said no.
Why?
Yes,
Because you can always mention Bounty and Vibes as your...
Yeah, Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel are one of my main influence through dancehall music. But at the end of the day, you have to associate yourself with people who are not going to be able to bully you around and boss you around.
Yeah, man, real that.
We ain't had that no time at all.
People, you see the hypocrite? No Masicka is the same man. Where they usually their own cartel and their own Bounty Killer. Him and Bounty Killer still good. So Masicka they on a platform now. I say yo, him no want in a them thing because of the beating and everything. But at the end of the day, them same people that give him the strength. Him go around them and everything. That me I try to show you. This is how Masicka stay. Him say something, a lot of things him saying in the past, and in the present, him do the opposite. I just saw him stay. You understand?
True. I mean, and that's cause a problem.
So subconscious is in the box.
Alliance and Gaza known for them type of thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Alliance?
We do them, Alliance too, so them to deal with cartel make him branch out and do the same thing. And from Alliance, him learn, cartel learn how to deal with people, you know. Yeah.
Alright.
No doubt, Bounty Killer, boss.
Look at now, so Beanie Man again. Look on that damage control with Beanie Man. Not even damage control. This is when you call, when the system I try bring down your brand like without even you saying nothing or doing nothing. Listen what Beanie Man say. Wait there.
Yeah.
Alright.
No doubt, Bounty Killer, boss.
And I must ask you.
Yo, imagine you never yet their own man. You never see nothing where a man say. Right? You never sit down in front of a man for hear where a man say out of his mouth. But you go up on a stage. Accuse a brother where you don't know you never been around this a youth, yeah? Right? Alkaline don't know you like, yeah, him know you say yo, you're artist, big artist in a dancer, but him don't know you if you say yo, you and him talk and everything. But this is when the element of the system I try damage your thing. You understand? So him a say Alkaline say him nah perform. Remember you know, him say Alkaline say him nah perform. But hear the lie now, you know. This you know when it's a lie. When him say Alkaline say him nah perform for dirty Jamaica. Right? Dirty Jamaica. You see when you try bring down a youth, you go put in some dangerous words. Because when you say dirty Jamaica, you know, Jamaicans are saying, yeah, dirty you call you. Alright, look what go on. Right? Remember with this, you know, you hear him say a while ago like him say, yo, yeah, and that him say, no, una go reel up, hey. This was the same thing with Nuffy. Nuffy said the same thing like that when he say, yo, I mean some people that talk about, yo, him antisocial, wait. And I reel up for him. Yo, him not do enough for dancehall. Them thing this when the system a fight you because them not have a hand in your career, I saw them bring you down. But look now, listen to the clip here. You understand this? Remember me that tell you about the TVs and the podcasts and the on stage. These are the one. It's like a job, you know. This is an interview. Yeah, it's an interview. This if you not pass the test, yeah, you go put one side, but you have to fight. As Masicka say, fight them system. You understand? Yeah, listen.
In the first interview, if you're inspired by the world boss cartel.
Here the rebuttal and how much time. Here how much time I go ask the youth.
Inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired by
you say
people.
he wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by
That's
people.
what you said then.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back or?
No, I'm gonna take back nothing.
Have you revised that?
No.
You don't?
No, he's a good artist. What do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it.
What me borrow?
Such as your.
Me no my own clothes, me no everything.
Your.
What do you mean?
Okay.
What you talk, man?
All right, sir.
No borrow no.
I'll give you that one.
What you talk, man?
But he's courageous in terms of his bleaching and accepting that he bleaches. You've done your eyeball and you accept and willingly say you did, and you did it to get attention. Yeah. He went as far as saying.
Which other artist in the dancer space was brave enough, otherwise apart from him?
I can't think of any.
So that's why I guess there's a comparison. So would you give that artist copyright to courage? I think that's what you're doing.
No, I'm not doing
And controversy.
No. I'm just asking a question. If you're inspired at all by the great Vybz Kartel.
Yo, you saw the man come back and ask about the same question. Same question, you know. Keep on and ask the youth the same question. You know, say, in dancehall, they have never asked a question about a next person more than one time like this. I try to force a youth to say what him not want to say. But listen.
You're saying no, not at all. He's just like a normal, everyday artist.
No, man. He's a great artist, man. Don't get me wrong, man. Yeah. I respect him just like I respect every other artist in dancehall. Because I want people to feel like, say, oh, you tolerate nobody. No, man. I respect everybody in the dancehall space. But people just want me to, I don't know.
All right, so you're all...
You see, the worst thing, you know, is like Alkaline keep on say, yo, I respect every artist. Right? I respect every artist in a dancehall. But where them want him say when it's come to Vybz Kartel, I don't know if is Kartel a artist in a dancehall or what. I don't understand. Kartel no one artist. Because remember, you know, Winford painted as you say no, you're not inspired by the great Vybz Kartel. So a Vybz Kartel alone artists inspired by alone? Or what? Alkaline them inspired by people. Isn't the artist them in a dancehall people? You see, this is the problem. This is a part of the system where when you're boss, you're supposed to come say, yo, this a man inspire me. Yo, this a man I'm a god. Yo, I'm a special. Yo, I have to give special ratings to them man. This a man this a man. That is it. That's where them immune in the artists them for come say. You understand? Remember, you know, your friends them and your family them can inspire you too, you know. See? A lot of people can inspire. It don't have to be a specific person, but because Vybz Kartel is a part of the system, when the young artists them forward, right? Some of them see the play and say, yo, I forgot to see a Vybz Kartel, you know. I forgot to see this. I forgot to see that. Because them not really have them own a mindset to say, yo, I just carry on my thing, you know, I just do my own thing. No, them have to giant shows. Cause them see other artists do it and some of them a get highlight. So them want the highlight, so them just go down the road. But them never know say, when you reach down the road, right? Them never know say, nothing is not down there if you take on up back the road. You understand? Because if you look on Alkaline career, the same system what Masicka talk about, we there a breakdown right now. You see it? So everybody I talk about them get fight and every little thing. Imagine a youth when I do bad in nothing. And he might get the biggest set of fight. Masicka not getting a fight yet. Because the whole system was lifting up Masicka. From cartel to Beanie Man to Bounty. And I see the system show them and everything. Because look here. Sting was a part of the system. A show, what do you call it? A show of the system base. Alright, you have to go up and Sting. You have to clash with one artist. And then you have to be that top man in the name. The only top man in a dancehall right now whenever I do Sting or Alkaline. You understand? Alkaline, but don't in a video and I go see what one. But this are the owner Sting. Just listen to what I say now.
I think my true reason was the artist.
Why? What was?
Popcorn and Alkaline, and every time I never thought this yet, but I'm going to talk it now. I made them understand what they did to the music. Those two, up to this day, when Sting called on them, they never do Sting. Back again, they said they're not doing it. And Sting needed stars, too. You needed headline. The year Cartel and my brother said they wasn't doing it. I have every star in Jamaica and nobody didn't come. So when we realized that Popcorn and Alkaline were the two leaders and they're not doing the show, it never makes sense to go forward. Because we know what's going on. So people keep on saying, oh, they want those two. And up to this day, them two man never do a show together yet, nowhere. Them do take the booking together for one reason or the other. And it almost killed the business of show business. Dancehall show business.
You see, this is the thing, you know. Him say it almost kill. Remember, you know, this is a system show, you know, Sting, you know, right? It almost kill the show business. You know why him say that? It's because over the years, every artist say, boss, I forgot through that channel there. Go up and Sting, clash with somebody, if become the main man, right? Alkaline never take that route, right? Popcorn go up and Sting go war already with the artists. I think man, remember say him push off Ryan off a stage, you know. Popcorn go up and Sting already, right? Alkaline never go up and Sting. But the thing is that, where worst thing with them not like, when the system say, yo, you try to create your own system, when Alkaline forward and start keep him own a show, you know. Right? Because this is what they don't want the youths them to become big by themselves. Them want to have the control. Them want the artists them to go up and feed them show. Them don't want the artists them have them own a show. Right? Because look here. Them want to suppress the youth them. That's why them can say, alright, this I want to go through the gate. This I want to. You realize Alkaline have a show where I keep worldwide. Where I represent dancehall. New rules. An international brand. That's what them no want. Remember, you know, them now go outside of the country, you know. Right? But them want to use them only for go up and feed them show. Which the show only a keep a yard. It now keep worldwide. For example, like Sunfest and Sting. Them they are the two main show of the system. Right? And you see how it operate. So Alkaline create him own show. Right now, New Rules are the only brand right now where under artist entity we are keep worldwide right now. Like an official brand we are keep worldwide. Where people know fans come out and see. So them never like that because look you know, them are the only one where want all the youths them in a one box, make the money, right? Them can rob the youths. What them usually do, like Sting, book the artists them, not who want pay them, but them a make money. You understand? Them a make the money, you know. But them a try bar long price and everything, and that one mash up the show. And Alkaline and nobody mash it up. And them mash it up, right? Because over the years, them a short change and a pay artists, and then artists them grow up in one match and say, yo, me can't do no free and a little money and a promise money, you know. See, so them the aspects say Popcorn and Alkaline. That's why after remember this, you know, Popcorn never have no show. Alkaline they have New Rules. And when Popcorn say Alkaline go have a show now, remember you know Popcorn is a youth where him kind of have like a bad mind thing about him, you know. Yeah, cause I remember say him go down and not nice and say yo, him not forget nothing, say him help Alkaline in the game. See? You know, producing and thing. So him kind of bad mind you can go around at the studio and a big friend and one bag of things. See? So him end up go keep a show. So comes after New Rules, you know, so comes Popcorn start keep him show after New Rules, you know. Cause when New Rules keep, yo, history. Everybody a talk about it. Because them never know say yo, that youth where them did a fight for no reason. End up come keep such a big show, so young. Yeah, but look at now. You go play next to people. The one you enough, you know. You don't know him usually hosting. But a long time the youth I bring down Alkaline. You understand? Long time I do it. And the host even even call him out when I go listen to the clip.
As an artist, stop doing Lengan every day and don't sting because you only disrespect your fans.
Did you ask Alkaline? He's tops in Jamaica.
No,
right now.
You know more I read my Bible. Praise ye, Lord. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever.
But a big part of the dancehall crowd wants to say Alkaline too. Give the man his.
Me I go give him props. Him have a pirate props where I run with, and him a cheat dancehall.
So here where I say him a cheat dancehall. You know why I say him a cheat dancehall? Because Alkaline never got through for them entity, which is the system. That's why I say Alkaline a cheat dancehall. So the code where them set, Alkaline never use a code. Him create one. You understand? Him create one. So that's why you see over the years, Nuffy don't rate Alkaline worse. He was the host and Sting, and Alkaline never do Sting. And after Alkaline never do Sting, because it's a generation of artists, you have Bounty and Beanie. Before that, you maybe have like Cabra them, Ninja Man them, you know, followed up Movado, Cartel. Then after that, them did a brief look Alkaline and Popcorn or Alkaline and somebody, but it never happened. So that's why when Nuffy had the interview, yeah, Irma say yo Alkaline no do nothing for dancehall because them couldn't get him pan Sting. And it hurt them. You understand? Because them no want to see youth reach out there. Them want to use this is the thing, you know. Some of them show you degrade artists because them want to just use artists, no pay them nothing, and that's for culture. But at the end of the day, where this are going to really take the youth them to a next level. We see a lot of things happen on Sting. Face get bust up and all of them little thing there. Right? No for you go on Sting. Get big highlight, win clash. But we are there now. We are there. So him I bring down the youth for years because them never get what them did want.
Oh, listen to me. Me want to talk to him.
You can't diss him like that. He's
dissing his fans. He's dissing his fans. Because how you can tell me say you are champion and you don't come to the Champion League? You have to go on, you know. Because guess what? There was a Bounty and there was a Beanie. But guess what? You have to share it.
Alkaline don't.
People, this is one next clip. I remember me tell you about Bounty and Fame. Bounty is a part of the system, you know. Yeah. But just listen. Listen what him say.
People. Ask him who inspired. Everybody has to have some inspiration. Unless you're a dead boy or a dead girl. Or you're a dead liar. You has to hear music somewhere. Something has to play in your head. And then you start to hold on to that.
I feel...
You know why it hurt them? You know why it hurt, right? You know why I'm attack? So if nobody not inspire a dead boy or dead meat or dead girl or whatever, you know why? Because they are part of the system where when artists boss, artists will come say, yo, Bounty Killer, I'm a general. This money, I'm a general. Yo, a them money I'm look up to. Yeah, yo, this is what they want. You understand? Them want people to bow to them. That's why I'm bring Masicka, you know. Because Masicka, every interview Masicka go on, yo, a Bounty Killer, you know. Yo, a Bounty Killer, you know, a Bounty Killer, you know. Yo, man, Red Vice Cartel, yo, man, a Bounty Killer, you know. This is what they want. In push, you know what? If Masicka did forward out and never say nothing about Bounty Killer, or stay far or whatever like Alkaline, he would have end up in the same way, me I tell you. The same with Alliance. That's why you see majority of the artists them left, Idonia, Movado, Cartel. Seem like how you see my fight Alkaline is the same thing. Right? Because him can't get them for program. So the youths them, the man them create them own. Movado will create Gully. Cartel will create Gaza. You understand? And Idonia will create Fort Jenna. You understand? Create them little own system. Because it's that system where I come from a system. Yeah. So when you hear them attack, them just hurt. Them just hurt. You want a man to come out, a force a youth to say, yo, this man inspire me, this man inspire me. Why it hurt you so much? Why it hurt you so much? If a youth fall out and say him respect every artist in a dancehall, him inspired by people, what's the problem? Because no, the artists them were praise Uno. Uno will work with them. When them call him name, when them go on them first interview, yo, Bounty, this Cartel, this man, this, that I wanna love. That's why I wanna endorse those artists. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
He wanted to say Cartel early on, but the Gaza fund of you so good. Well, try to beat it, but you know, like
better say you don't want to say because, but don't act like there is not. You understand? Yeah.
I mean, have you and him ever had any conversation?
No.
Not one.
And we're not gonna have none. He said.
So you see it? Academics ask him if you and a youth ever have a conversation. Right? This is how the system works, you know. The system want you to come to them. Right? So him and Alkaline never have a conversation. He never go to Alkaline and say, yo, me not like what you do, me no, and I saw them work. Them forward for an interview, go at them foot, yo, me general, this, that, this is what they want. That's like academics, right? Ask him. You and Alkaline ever have a convo yet? You hear him say, no, and we now go ever have a convo. I saw the system work. They want you to run at them foot and bow. Not them see you and say, yo, yeah, do it, but them not encourage you. If them not rate certain things, yeah. If them can't program you, yeah, them not go on forward to you and say, yeah, them want you for forward to them. Yeah, that's how the system work.
Something in music that is forbidden to the culture, and when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to stop my mother. Yeah, him said the batty washer, I dismiss that. And then go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him. And then he went out of the way to tell me suck my mother in my DM. And then really? I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that. Yeah.
He sent you a DM?
Yeah. Me diss him on my timeline and him going to my DM and tell me something, mother.
People, hear what the man saying that. You see him holding him head like a little child, with emotional child. You see, when I look at you, make you just look like them like a boy. They like, yo, me dissing on the timeline and him dissing on my DM. Eh? That for sure, yeah, bro. Like, you don't want youths rather than you forward out and reach out to the youths them and say you're Ray. No, the youths them for come to you and bow to you first before you address them. I saw you work. So you work because Alkaline now go just get up in your DM so and this year so because people a long time bounty I try to fight the youth, you know. Is before whatever them are saying, you know. Right? And when Alkaline father not tell like he need to talk about some girl or something. Right? And him fought on the stage and I say, yo, girl, them make some boy tell you what to do, you know. Way about dirty drunk run. Yeah. That is a problem. But this is the thing, you know, him hurt because him have artists who are sing about Cartel sing about the most freakiest thing. Me never hear him cuss Cartel, yes, but at the end of the day, him still forgive him. But Alkaline thing now, no. So Alkaline never fought under him entity. And this is the thing too. Him afraid of the Gaza fans them. Him afraid of the backlash. So that's why I'm not going to address Cartel like that. But you don't know Alkaline and Fame fans them and more fans them will just not care about nobody. Them not give nobody no attention based on figure back and forth or figure diss them. I remember when Bounty dip on stage and he might get beer buckle, 3 Macalo Cartel name. Yeah, so you're not going to really see that with no Alkaline fans or no Alkaline fans are step to or anything. So that's why it's easier for this Alkaline. You understand? Yeah, and I just saw you think said.
Nobody know about that. All our fans know. Every man have to stand up to the
Iman's Vada was decent. I don't know if still, but decent at a point. You know, well, I guess there was no relationship here before.
Iman, alright. God go with him.
Other artists, though, for the other younger artists, whether there's a Masicka or whatever, they show you tremendous love.
Those are sensible kids. They are the one who's smart. They will always gonna get ahead. Some people gonna have glitches and bumps in along the way. Cause
you know why I'm say that about Masicka? Remember, you know, the clip where I play say, yo, man, Masicka say if Alliance call him, he would have said no. But look at now, true. Masicka in him palm now. He might go say, them youth they sensible. Them youth are going to reach for. You know why I'm say that? It's the same system talk. Because them can program Masicka. But if you realize, Masicka right now, Masicka just, them are doing thing, drop some song. But the levels, it just not really did it. Because them same system artists here. Try to hold on youths. Same like how Masicka they talk about the system is the same thing where him I get the strength from. Cause him never know, you know. You see, because him say him a good youth and him a everybody good, but him don't know say, well, brother, when you everybody good, you know, a man when you try rise in the music, enough of them now go make you do that. You understand? Because them will have the control over your thing. You see it? So that's why I say, yo, Masicka the sensible one. But look you now. Who are more bigger artists in the dancehall? Alkaline or Masicka? Everybody know that, say Alkaline. But why? But them give Masicka the most strength. But who become the most successful artist? Alkaline. So it show you how the system works.
See, when you're ungrateful, you can't be great. Only grateful people can be great. No ungrateful girl and boy can't have great. You're ungrateful. You don't have no greatness about you, so you're ungrateful. Who does? No ungrateful people can be grateful.
Would an apology suffice?
What?
If he came around and said, listen, I was young, I was wrong.
No, he's not going to apologize. I mean, I don't want nobody to apologize. It done what it done.
Man sound like a girl where Yo, like a girl just disappointed with it. Yo, I tell you, yo, them elder you know, them elder you know want see youth reach out there, you know. Them just want program youths for steal them foot. Yeah, man.
When what you did, it can't rub out. So when you come and say nice words, it's still not rub out nothing. So me not take apology.
That's the only artist I think currently you don't probably. No, I don't think you despise me. You just don't check.
Him alone. You just couple of them. Vegas too.
Come on now.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, give Vegas, cause Vegas, him can't program Vegas, you know. So yeah, him got this man thing. Because remember see him with Lexus, you know. Remember see how he mash up Lexus career, you know. Because him a fought from them time they were control the system with the sounds, them like selector, certain this jockey, them have them people under them palm. So them can say, yo, I don't want to play the artist, you know, yo. The artist say, yo, I don't want him perform, you know. So them have a control because them are the top artists in the game. So that's why you see them move like this.
That situation.
Don't want to talk about it. I'm just giving you some of them I don't want to see. And apology can't help it.
Really?
That
it felt.
People want to listen. So this, you don't know next system boss, Vibes Cartel, yeah man. I want to listen what I go on with academics attack, you see it?
It made me reminded of you.
I know.
An artist named Alkaline.
I know.
But you embrace everybody. You embrace Poppy and everybody else.
Yeah.
Why does it seem like, you know, obviously maybe don't come from the Gaza brunch, right? Yeah. The Gaza tree necessarily, as in you had the direct hand on it. But the style and the whole feel kind of makes people feel like what you gave. Why isn't there, you know, that relationship there? Why do you think?
I mean, I've never given it much thought. To be honest, I've never given it much thought. I mean, I'm not a fan.
You see what I talk about? You can know how the system artist responds to things. At the same thing the way you're bound to respond. So academics, I say, yo, you embrace Popcorn, embrace them artists there. Why you know with Alkaline, why you not embrace Alkaline? But this is the thing. Popcorn, we fought on stage and say him love Cartel the most. I tell you, these system artists, you have to bow to them. You understand? You have to go at them foot. You have to depend 10 interview and I say, yo, Cartel, I'm a god. Yo, Cartel special in my musical career. Cartel this, Cartel that. You have to say these things to these people, accept you. But fine, Alkaline, great. Him is a successful artist without these people. All the fight. And see that today, they might use theme name right now. Me see all people come out and I say, yo, you better Cartel did push Alkaline car. He never bad mind Cartel and all of these things. Everything table turn. Them always say, no. The stone where the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. I'm not going to see what happening in a dancehall right now. You see it?
You know what I mean? I'm just not a fan. But he's cool. He's alright, I guess. But I'm not a fan of that.
So Cartel say I'm not a fan of that. Well, fine. Alkaline just now up combo or see him with the interview with on stage, man. When the man asks him, say, yo, Cartel no special to you. You just say I'm a regular artist. Like, these are the system questions. And when it asks the system artist them are gonna say, I'm not a fan. Him stupid because him never bow to them. You say if Alkaline was bowing to these artists, trust me, it would have been a different thing forward from them mouth. May I tell you, you'd hear Cartel say to academics, yeah man, I want to hear man, Alkaline man, that a good artist that man. But you talk about him a come run the thing. Bounty would say, yeah, them youth they have sense. Him a go reach far. Yes, man. I saw them because I saw them program back then, you know. Remember, say Vice Cartel forward from Bounty Alliance. So it's the same treatment, same thing. And at the same thing that mean a Popcorn can. Remember the Popcorn that push some artists, but them artists they're not dead again. Quada, where my youth the name? Jaffras, much artists, jail and all of them. If you realize, every time them create a systematical group, right? You realize all of the artists them just left the camp. Left the system. Why? Because them cannot be themselves. You understand? Them have to bow to the artists. Them can't feel like say them bigger than the artists, you know. That's why when you see with Masicka with the thing now, although Masicka might try force rap him career where him not reach, right? Because after him use a Gaza thing, he might try become this man which, bro, I know say the thing work. So Masicka forward out and say I'm the king, I'm the goat. The system going to rebuttal that. No, you're not a goat. Because you're under freedom entity. You cannot try to be bigger than them. That's how the system work. You understand? You have to wait till them label you. I saw it work. You cannot get up and say, yo, you're the goat, you're the this, you're the that. No, the only way you can say that is if you're not with them, you're not attached to them. Right? And when you put in your work by yourself now, you can say, yo, this. Because look at today, you know, one amount of people may say call Alkaline, yo, Masicka afraid of this. Them been using Alkaline name, but them I bring down Alkaline. So it show you. Say, look here, Alkaline, never pay them no mind, do what have to do, become the man. That's why they have to respect the youth and say, yo, look how the youth just do him thing. But look in the long run, you're not going to see what going on because Alkaline tell you. Him tell you everything how them people. The man say, if me did that cheat and chat up and laugh with them, he would have be them favorite. But no, him not do that. You understand? Because, as me say, the cornerstone, it's gonna be there. Me I tell you, yeah man, the same man what them refuse, I them I go use back. Me I tell you, but people who don't know, you know, media facts, you know, but that's the system. And you can read between the lines them, right? Read between the lines. Remember, you know, Shaggy and Sean Paul wasn't under no system. Them a do them own thing. It's like this. The system work like a label. Like a record label in Jamaica. The music industry system, like a record label. Them like a record label get up on shows. Them set up your outfit for do this. Yo, them a get your radio play. Them a make sure it's the album this way. I saw the system of Jamaica. Them endorse you. Why you think when Vice Cartel come out, the way how them highlight him, you would have think that there's no other dancehall artist in a dancehall. Right? They make the years where the artists them are putting work coming like nothing. That's when the system is endorsing. And when them say, yo, Vice Cartel give them 13 years, yo, dancehall in a prison. That's when the system are endorse you. Yes, if we make the other rest of artists them. You realize that them not highlight Shaggy and Sean Paul. Although Shaggy and Sean Paul do dancehall worldwide and you know, damage the place out there. I represent, you never see them highlight Sean Paul. You know why? Because Sean Paul them is not within the system. Them always oversaw or do them own a thing. Right? The one within the system, them are going to highlight them the most. Because you know why? May I tell you why? You know why them compare Cartel with these young artists? Although Cartel gone about 3 decades in the game, you know. Right? You know why them compare him with the young artists them? Because why? Them cannot control the young artists them. Right? Them don't have Cartel as a puppet, as an industry artist. So what them do now, them say, yo, them artists are not doing from Cartel come from prison. Yo, we man part them up, we man do this, the man do that. And these were the same artists them with their road. Where them did a hype up. But through the system, for them puppet now forward from prison now. You understand? Yeah, them start highlighting and forget about them. Because them never care about the youths them, you know. Them never care. Them just say that go and use them. And that's why you see Cartel in a prison, him still a releasing music them. The artists them with their road. Some of them not have a choice, but them did have to, the way them make them have to do collab with this artist here, with their prison and everything. That way. That's why one of the things the Cartel can charge 1.5 million US. You realize out of everybody, remember, you know, Shaggy and Sean Paul are big artists, you know. Right? Shaggy and Sean Paul are big artists. Right? But them not charge amount of what Cartel are charge. You know why? Alright, the demand is there. Years when not perform. Right? But look here, you see any other dancehall artists and any other dancehall artists who go prison, them still can't come out and charge it. May I tell you why too? Over the years, the industry, the system, always, no matter what, them promote Vice Cartel where them couldn't see more than the artists them with their road. That's why you see majority of the artists them when them forward out, them try to them use, yo, Cartel this, Cartel that. So imagine you have so many young artists are forward out and I endorse you. That's going to make your thing more powerful. Plus the demand. You understand? Because it's all about, remember, you know, Spice a promote Cartel. Cartel have him links overseas a promote Cartel. Cartel imagine if Cartel did their prison and nobody not give him no collab. Him not work with nobody. Him never did a release no music. Nobody couldn't see him, none at all. No camera, no nothing, no picture, It would have been a different thing. It would have been a different thing. You understand? But because Cartel their prison, him still get the award them, everything, because the industry, which is the system, still plug him in, although them couldn't see him. So that's how when Cartel father road, them say, oh, the young artists them not drop no song. Cartel come show them up. Cartel come do this. That's, you know, when a system artist in effect. The whole new generation, when them plan for cancel a whole new generation, yeah, that's when you know when a system artist. Yeah, but people, big up on yourself, you know. Big up all of my fans. But read between the lines and see what I go on. Is it? I'm not going to forward in the future and see what me I talk about. The system, young youths, young artists, stay far. If you want to become that person big out there in the world, try to find a style of yourself, a pattern. Do your own thing. Be yourself. You understand? Now follow back on a body and you're not going to reach far. It's like when you're under somebody's roof, right? And you want to lift off. But because you're under somebody's roof, yeah. Find your own style. You understand? Yeah. Do your own thing. No program. You're not going to reach. Pre-Sean Paul and Shaggy. Nobody couldn't program them. Them do them own thing. And you see what them reach? Yeah. Pre like that. You understand? Because the same man where you ask his strength will be the same man will bring you down tomorrow. Yeah. But people, big up on yourself and you know things that in our media facts. That is it.